Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I've got two letters that I've turned to curves. That's pretty important to do that, and you can see them on your object manager. In 19, they just call it object. But we're going to have one pass in front of the other one. So we do like this, and we select them both, and we go to intersect. Here's our intersect. Let's change our intersect to a color. And let's move it using the docker, move it up to above the lettering. Now we can see our intersection. We need to break the curve apart. Let's turn this one black. Let's turn this one that gray. Now the letters, and you can do this with any color. I just picked black and gray because it would be for a laser engraver. And this is so light you might even want to color map this, but and you could do it with colors and color map it. But that's one way to intersect two letters. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.